Hello guys! I have fascinating recipe for you today, easy to prepare, so stay tuned, this is going to be fun. Before that, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video so you get more useful recipes and tips. You will never miss out on any of the useful videos which I share. Ginger is not only a wonderful spice to complement tea. It can also be used for skin care. An antioxidant, gingerol, present in ginger, helps combat free radicals which cause aging, while increasing blood circulation. Ginger aids in giving a natural glow along with smoothing out fine lines on your hands. Ginger also has antibacterial characteristics that work as a shield for irritation and infections. One other great benefit of ginger is skin tone balancing. If you possess any sun or age spots damage, ginger can help make them fade over time. Along with that, ginger can soothe redness through its anti-inflammatory character, making your hands appear more healthy and refreshed. Moreover, ginger's warming effect can assist in opening pores. It makes sense why ginger is a favorite in clean skincare. Have you ever tried ginger for your skin? If you haven't, perhaps it's time to test it out. Sweet. And most importantly, I would like to know in the comment section, which country are you watching this video from? I always enjoy knowing where my wonderful fans are watching from. No matter if you are chilling at home, on your break at work, or visiting from another country, please comment your region. It is uplifting to notice that people from all over the world want to be a part of our family. You can also tell me something about your best, most effective herbs and even share any secrets you have about skin care, not that I expect you to share all of them. Your comments are interesting, so don't hold back and let's keep chatting. Awesome! Now, let's look further into the astonishing. Tell me in the comment section which country you are watching my video from. Prevent fine lines and wrinkles. The antioxidants in ginger can be used to help preserve your skin's collagen. Ginger improves skin elasticity and even skin tone, which further helps improve skin texture. Cooling properties of aloe vera on the skin. Aloe boasts a wide array of benefits to the skin, which explains why it was used as far back as ancient medicine. It might interest you to know that aloe contains over 75 biological compounds, such as vitamins and minerals, all of which work in synergy to fulfill and protect the skin's needs. The active ingredients in aloe that assist with inflammation and skin cell regeneration are auxin and gibberellin. If your hands have ever felt rough and sore, aloe vera gel can help heal them. The moisturizing properties of this miracle plant can prove to be genuinely beneficial when it comes to treating cracked skin. Aloe vera functions great as a natural humectant as it draws moisture to the skin and retains it. This is particularly useful for people who are frequently washing their hands, as their hands will remain soft and smooth. This plant's antifungal and antibacterial properties are also beneficial, as they help to block skin infections and clear the skin, which is ideal for sensitive skin. Aloe also has the remarkable ability to fade dark spots and create a more even skin tone. Aloe can also help assist with repairing UV damage. Natural enzymes break down dead skin cells and reveal more radiant hands. If you are prone to sunburns or tan lines, aloe will help with repairing the damage and reducing any sunspots. With so many advantages, it is not surprising which makes aloe vera a wanted ingredient in skincare. You can replace the cooling gel from aloe with aloe and put it in the fridge for an additional cooling impact. It can help with calming your hands after your day outside. Have you tried using aloe before? If so, leave your comments below. I am curious to hear how it was like for you. Did you know the ancient Egyptians called aloe the plant of immortality? Aloe vera has been used for more than 6,000 years, which is way before beauty standards were invented and practiced. There are even claims that Cleopatra herself used herbal plants and oils in her skincare routine, so it is no shock that her skin was so flawless. Did you know that aloe vera is 99% water, but the remaining 1% is very concentrated in nutrients? Because of this composition, the product is able to provide moisture for the skin without weighing it down. Additionally, the gel in aloe leaves has a natural cooling effect, which is ideal to use on irritated skin and sunburns. Aloe vera is one of the select plants that can increase collagen levels in the body. Collagen is necessary to give our skin elasticity and firmness, so applying aloe regularly can help with fine wrinkles and will make your hands look smoother and younger. And here's the kicker: aloe was used by famous explorers such as Christopher Columbus, who termed it doctor in a pot for the ways in which it could treat wounds and burns. He ensured that it was always on board to treat him and his men. Even Alexander the Great employed aloe in the battles to take care of his Meleoper's wounds. Awesome! So now, I'm washing a lemon and using baking soda for scrubbing it to cleanse it of any impurities. After that, I'm going to peel the lemon and cut the peel into small pieces. But are you aware that lemon peel actually has skin benefits that are so strong? Lemon peel contains vitamin C and antioxidants that support glowing the skin and balancing the skin tone. Dark marks can be minimized alongside youthful radiance in your hands. As well as the natural acids lemon peel has are just marvelous, as they also help in lightly scrubbing dead cells of skin and unveiling the smoother surface beneath. Above all, lemon peel helps fight the visible signs of skin aging. Besides, the vitamin C and flavonoids present in it stimulate collagen synthesis, maintaining skin elasticity and firmness. Lemon peel can be a strong asset when needed for prevention of sagging skin and wrinkles. No need to worry about fine lines because lemon peel works wonders for that too. Moreover, its superior antibacterial properties work like magic in cleansing the skin of unwanted toxins, so make sure you don't throw the lemon peel next time. It's a skincare wonder. Have you used lemon peel on your face or hands? Please share your experience with me in the comments section below. And did you know that it also has calcium, potassium, and fiber? These minerals help nourish the skin barrier for adequate moisture levels and skin softness. Remove some of the most potent essential oils found in lemon peel, such as limonene, which work as anti-inflammatories and antiseptics, can moisturize the skin and help get rid of infections. Now, I am putting all this into a jar and adding 200 milliliters of olive oil, but wondering why we are suggesting olive oil? The answer is simple: it is one of the best natural ingredients for skin care. Olive oil contains the vitamins A, D, E, and K that will nourish your skin and deeply moisturize it, making it baby soft and smooth. We have not even scratched the surface of inline olive oil. Polyphenol and squalene are strong antioxidants that fight free radicals, which in turn help slow the process of aging. Olive oil can also reduce fine lines and wrinkles, making your skin youthful and healthy. Superoleic acid soothes and restores the skin's barrier to retain moisture, which helps eliminate dryness and cracking. Additional benefits of inline olive oil extract are its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, which soothe irritated skin and help heal cuts. Olive oil is a natural emollient, meaning it softens the skin and gives it a smooth feeling without blocking the user's pores. And also, olive oil can be added to your skincare regimen as it enhances collagen production, making the skin more supple and tighter. With all these properties, it is not a surprise that olive oil is known as the liquid gold of the skin. I am going to boil the mixture for 15 minutes, and after that, I will strain the oil. Why boil it? Well, having the oil heated also helps in getting all the useful nutrients from the lemon peels, ginger, and aloe, especially for the skin in question. The heat also helps in combining the ingredients' natural oils and antioxidants, which boost the skin's nourishment and rejuvenation. Mixture even more nutrient-rich. In addition, the warmth helps to break down the ingredients so that your skin can absorb them better when applying the oil. This allows for the mixture of simple olive oil, vitamins, and anti-inflammatory compounds to become supercharged with antioxidants, making it an efficient skincare treatment. The high level of powerful antioxidants that are present in lemon rind extract work great as an anti-aging ingredient. The ability of the fruit extracts to stimulate collagen production helps to prevent fine lines and wrinkles in the form of premature aging. This peel claim helps in getting rid of excess oils without making your skin oily. This can be helpful if you wish for your hands to feel soft and clean throughout the day. Additionally, the smell from the citrus peel aids through lifting one's elated feeling, which helps in making the whole endeavor feel like a spa treatment. Now, in order to use the oil, simply pour a generous amount on your hands, massage the oil in lightly, and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. This ensures all the nutrients and hydration are absorbed by your skin. After, simply wash it off with warm water. You will notice your hands feeling softer and looking youthful immediately after. To see the best results, try and do this treatment 1 to 2 times a week. Before that, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video so you get more useful recipes and tips. You will never miss out on any of the useful videos which I share. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.